Hey, hey, hey. Hi, folks. Thank you for joining once again. We're going to continue our beautiful game. I did a lot of work on it during the weekend, and I am still, as you can hear, still sick. I'm so sick of it. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Let me put on some music as well, because we're gonna need it. Let's see. Because I still won't be able to talk all that much. And I downloaded a bunch of new tracks from the YouTube library. I don't know if it's good or not. We'll see. Did I do everything? Yeah. We're just gonna dive straight in. I mean, we'll see when people pop by. Come say hi in chat if you're here as well. That's always good to know. So, let's see. We have a bunch of things to do before we call this a finished playable game. Some bigger things, some smaller things, and yeah, I wanna. Well, we'll see how far we get today. But first, maybe let me show you all the things I changed. Well, that's maybe a little bit too much. Let's see, what can I say? There are a lot of improvements with the movement and camera following around, all those things. That's nice. Let's see. I've made a lot of visual improvements here. The shop and has been improved as well. Actually, lots of things all over the place. Yeah, it's becoming more and more like the fixing details all over the place. Let's see. What I want to do today is probably not everything here. Still ignoring the test suits. I'm sorry, Aiden, if you're watching. I'm sorry for that. Hello, Joris, on Twitch, by the way. Glad you're here. Let's do some front stuff. Let's have AI do some front stuff for us, and then we will do some backend stuff. I think that's a good idea. So when Q is pressed and active card is played, the effect should be applied on the time the player is standing. Let's see, we have the dungeon game controller here. Basically, it's like when you're clicking a tile, but now by pressing Q and on the tile, the player is standing. It's just a small improvement I would like to make. While Claude is working on that, we will take a look at messages on events. That's something I wanted to work on. Actually, yeah, that's backend and front end. So for some events, I want the message to be shown that about what happened. So let's see, we have our... Basically, the only thing we really want backend is just a message in the payload, I reckon. I don't really need an interface for that. Let's see, which events do we want to hook into? There was one with dwellers moved. Player health decreased. Should we do it over here? So something like this. You lost. Let me think about how I better do this. When it's increased, I meant decreased. But anyway, I want, for example, a message to be shown when an enemy dweller walks into a player. So, but health decreased. Maybe we should just add public string reason. And then we should pass it over here, string reason null. Then we can do it like this, reason. Because yeah, this happens in you were hit by a dweller, -20. And then when you step on a trap, I also want the same to happen, which is over here. Check for traps. Yeah, you stepped on a trap, -15. Should I add HP? I'll just do -15 health. Yeah, okay. Let's see Cloud did this thing now with the cube. I'll test that in a second. And meanwhile, we can ask it to sometimes events will have a message property in their payload. If that's the case, we want that message to be shown for 15 seconds, 15 for 10 seconds. Properly style it and make it, and use subtle transitions for showing. Okay, something like that. Then we'll let's see, player health decreased. Message, we'll say this reason. That should work. Hey Trezor, good to have you here. How are you? Let's test the queue stuff then. Demo. Over here, new breakthrough. Okay. Oh yeah, we're in cheat mode. That's true. Breakthrough. If we press Q, it works. Perfect. There's some lag now because Claude is using up a lot of CPU, basically. Did I reckon that'll. Okay. Okay, that's done. So let's then refresh here. We have a trap here. You stepped on a trap, -15 health. Okay, that's good. But position the message below the top notch, not on top of it. I like that. Now we're waiting for that, but meanwhile we can do Q. Ah yeah, I want this one. I want the background, the canvas background, to become darker the farther away you are from the origin point. Okay, while that's doing, we will implement this one, because that's actually that's a good one to tackle as well. If, let's see, we move the player, so then player move gets triggered, and when a tile collapses, while the player is standing on it, we want to decrease its health as well. which will be a tricky one to test. Because we still don't have a test suit. So, what's that? Tile collapsed. Okay, and so if no, we want to have another one. On tile collapsed. Tile collapsed event, like so. If event tile equals this dungeon player position, this dungeon decrease health by 25 actually. A tile collapsed. The tile you were standing on collapsed. Something like this. Okay. So, and how can I now test this? Basically, by commenting this out. So now everything will collapse all the time. The tile you were standing on collapsed. Minus 25 health. Okay, it works. And the message, what did it look like? Yeah, you still, that's good. Okay, cool. Now they're working on something else. We can remove this one, and the messages is done as well. You see, it goes pretty quickly though. Maybe we can finish it. Hello, Yasha. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly. Okay. Let's see, what's the next one? Dwellers should move when you play a card. That's important as well. Which is super easy to do. Dweller movement listener. Let's see. Move dwellers. So we'll just say private move dwellers, function of course, function, like so. Move dwellers on player moved, and then we'll say this move dwellers, and then we'll also say move dwellers on card played, or card drawn actually. Card drawn. This move dwellers. Okay, so now we go to our demo controller. We will beacon like so, and because then we can actually see. Oh, we need two cards, of course. New stability. So beacon. Let's hang on. Let's remove debug. Yeah. So anyway, here they are. Oh, I need once again. Let me actually spawn a dweller over here. Okay, there it is. Oh no, because we're not drawing any cards. Then maybe it should be card played. Card played. And do that one more time. Beacon. Huh? Where is the dweller now? Did I? Okay, there it is. Oh, now. It's gone. That's not what's supposed to happen. Okay, so that's why it's not there as well, because we played the beacon card. And then... What happens here? Or updated. Moved. What's the... Yeah, we make them all visible, right? That's what the card does. Okay. And when we... it's because they... I know why this... It's because of the beacon card. Hang on. Handle... because we only do this for player moved. But this should also be done for... Well, why can't we just do dweller? Isn't that more accurate? Okay. Oh, yeah, but... we cannot do that for dweller because every dweller gets an event. Okay. Not card played then, I reckon. Count should only be decreased when the player is moved. That's... Let's try it again. Okay, so beacon. So when we move, the count decreases, yes. But... Now this is done. Let's see, so that the background should become darker. It is. Good. You can go a little brighter near the origin tile. Depending on the level, you get maximum coin count. That's basically the max coin count per time. let's see. Yeah, I like that. It's a subtle effect, like the fade thingy, but I don't know if you can see it on YouTube, but for me it's good. Okay. We've done this, we're moving along. Whoosh. The next front-end, purely front-end thing is that this one, I don't know, sometimes a dweller doesn't get removed after it's been hit, doesn't get visually. Can you see the reason why? Okay. We're actually almost there to playable game, I think. See? This is the bug I'm talking about. It's there now. And this one the same. Let Claude figure it out, I would say. This should be gone. No cards in it. Let me manually. How is the music? For reference, I have it on mute most of the time because it just is too distracting to me. I cannot listen and then talk and then write code or prompt Claude. So while they're doing that, what I want to do when you it's all right, nice and chill for coding, but then again, now what I'm doing doesn't need a lot of my attention. Then what are you doing, Yasha? Yaska? Yasha? I don't know. So, I want to make it so that there are some rules to how many cards of each you can have in your hand. And I'm not sure how I want to model that yet. Well, I have a slide idea, card validators. Let's see. We need some kind of interface here. Card validate. No, hand or deck validator is better. Then deck validators. Yes. And so what we want here, interface, can add. Basically, that's it. That's it. We want a card. Can add a card and can want the array of deck. I think that's enough. And we want it actually to return a deck validation result. Will become clear in a second why. Because public read-only boolean is valid. Can add like this and string message. It should be optional. Deck validation result. Okay, so let's implement a deck validator. I'm updating my AST nodes to conform to an updated API I have for it. Okay, Swift AST written in C# for R#. Great. So I'm really curious why, like, what brings you here then to follow along with the stream as well? Is like background noise basically. But you're answering the messages, so I reckon you are paying at least some kind of attention. Actually, let's make it optional. If a card, not card, instance of breakthrough major and not card instance of breakthrough minor, we'll just return null, because then we aren't interested in validating this. And then we will say, actually, let's make this immutable array, because I don't want to. Count equals deck filter card instance of, yes, and then we count. We call this card. If count is larger or equal than 5, we'll return deck validation result. Okay, we have proof, otherwise we actually return null. In that case, message can be I've been a follower of yours since the generics in PHP days, though not subscribed since then. How dare you! No, I'm a compiler front-end guy, so I follow well languages, and you were one of my PHP community sources. I followed you for, yeah, cool, that's nice. Well, I'm glad you're here, and I hope you're subscribed by now. Or not, you do whatever you want. I'm glad you're here. Okay, so this is the idea. We'll have several validators. Yes, of course, that's good. We'll have several validators, and if a validator fails, then we cannot add that card to our hand. And we need to our deck, actually. I need to rename it. That's dungeon. It's a deck. Let's search for hand. Add to deck. These are the cards you take with you into the dungeon. Let's buy this one. Let's remove it from home. So now we have 5 actually. We'll get to it. So we need to do this check when we do this, and when it fails, we need to show the message. Let's first do that. So controller. Is it still working? What was it doing? It's still fixing the bug. Okay, that's fine. What we also need is deck validator. one. Ah, yeah, that's a problem. We'll say generic deck validator. It's compound deck validator. Let's call it like this. And this one actually gets an array of validators. Can we just do it like this, deck validator? Yeah, actually this works perfectly fine. For each validator as validator, this actually private validators. This validator, oh, this is nice. We can just move this over here, and we'll make this a singleton because we need to add all validators to. That we'll do in a second. So for each this validator, which are an array of deck validators, results equals validator. Yeah, okay, this is good. Let's also then do deck validator discovery. Discovery. So if class implements deck validator, if not return, if class is compound, that will be no need. Compound deck validator. Return, otherwise we'll say this discovery. Items, add location. Location. Look over them. For each this discovery items classification. To inject our compound. Private, like so. I will say this deck validator. Add validator is this validators. And of course then it shouldn't be read-only. Add validator private container. Let's also use that one. Container. This container get class. Let's see. Hey Brent, loving these streams. I'm building a turn-based card game in PHP and React for fun. I was looking through some of the code for this and it's quite elegant. Thank you. Thank you. There is I don't dare to look at the front-end code here. And apparently Claude is having some issues with it as well now. It can't figure out the bug. But yeah, okay, we'll see. No, yeah, the front-end code is all vibe code for me. So and you saw that file. But I'm fine with it for now. I do hope that maybe someone will be super excited for this game and wants to help out. It is open source, so what I am going to do still when I have like a fully working thing is to try to convert it to TypeScript first. Well, have Claude converted to TypeScript, and then also maybe introduce React also with Claude, of course, but just to make it a little more readable. Because now it's a mess. I don't even know Dungeon Game how many lines we're at now. Oh, we're almost 4,000. But it works. It works. It's a lot of. Is it a lot of CSS? Yeah, it's almost 1,000 lines of CSS as well. Yeah, 1,000 lines of CSS and HTML, and then it's 3,000 lines of JavaScript. Yeah. have to see. I'm a bit scared that Claude is still. I don't know what. So we have our deck validator discovery in place. So wherever we inject it now, and let's try that out. So we have our add. This is the buy card, activate card. This is the place we need it. We need deck validator. So we get the cards, and we need the deck. Basically, we'll wrap it in array. If deck counts is more than 20, we'll do nothing. And now we need to add if this deck. No, not this. Just deck validator. Not, and we'll add a size validator here as well, by the way, so I can remove this check and I'll get a message. If not, then we need to return this render deck builder. Instead of can I validate. If is not null. Validation results. We'll do for now. Some data here. Unfortunate. Oh, we'll fix it. So shop stats repository. And the rank we need. And the dungeon. And we just do it like this. Data. Yes. Okay. And so over here now we can say deck validation results like so. And then we can just show it, right? We can show the message somewhere, but I was actually waiting for Cloud to... Oh, it's done. Now I need to read through what it actually... Well, okay. Now I did that kind of stuff. Let's see. Found a bug. Here's what happens. Dungeon. So for reference, the problem is that sometimes we step on an enemy, it should despawn and it doesn't despawn. The dungeon event middleware is called next event runs all handlers first, then registers the change. So when a dweller moves into the player's time, move dweller fires dweller moved. Yes, middleware runs handlers first, register the. After all handlers finish, middleware register dweller move change. Ah, so it's about the order, yeah. Then the move re-adds it as a ghost. The fix registers the change before running handlers in the middleware. Yes. Although we can clean this up a little bit. We don't need this, we don't need this. Okay. Well, it was worth it, so that's good. still. Logs. Oh. It's because of the... this is a weird error. I broke it. But now I don't know whether my change broke it or Cloud's change. Let's see. We have our dungeon events middleware. So let's move this back. Ah. It is. It's because of the order change here. Yeah. Okay, I need to look into that. First, I want to fix this. Because we... I know. Fantasy commit. Instantiated. Will that work? Ah, yeah, because I was injecting this one. Try it again. Yeah, now it works. Now it's another error, of course. Validate card must be of dungeon card. Null given. We need to... I need to fix it. But for now, card equals this card. Zero type. Hang on. Compound deck validator. Yes. Why is it? Breakthrough. Validate like 20 over here. Must be of card, yes. Dungeon. How do you? Because it's. I get it. I get it. I'll have to do deck map function dungeon user card. Let's just validate that this works. Yes. Okay. Good. Let's say breakthrough deck validator. It's 3 max. Okay, so that's good. So that prevents us from doing that. That's good. We can add one more, but yeah, this doesn't work. Now we still need to show the message. It's a bit, let's say, ugly. For now, but that's okay. That's okay. Say deck to validate. Just to get this. Like so. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So to our deck builder. And then we have what did we call it? Deck validation result. If same message. Oh, failed, of course. Now we can just do it like this. Deck validation failed. Now we should actually call it deck validation failed. Let's then say deck size validator. If deck Okay. And that means we can remove this part. Which means we can remove this. And make it like this, which is a little nicer. Okay, and let's say let's change this to 4 for now. Your deck is full. Okay, cool. So 20. And in time this will probably be configurable as well. Style the deck foundation failed div in X. Deck builder. This is an error message that's shown users can't add cards to make it fitting. Like so. Now I need to change range. I actually don't know what like good rules for this are. Is this like the best it can do? No. Now style it even better, please. This is like not really nice. No. It should fit in with the visual style of the rest of the page. Yes, rather than a jarring message, indeed. Yes, okay, this is slightly better. Okay. And then the size, let's make it 2. Your deck is full. Okay, now can we use HTMX transition effects to transition when this error appears? This is good. I like it. I think that's this thing, right? HTMX transitions, animations. Pure CSS, apparently. Okay. No JavaScript needed. I'm fine with that. I do notice that Cloud knows more CSS than me. There are like interesting things I didn't know were possible. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Now also do it for when the message disappears. Is that possible? Probably not. maybe. So that the cards card boxes don't jump around. It's more tricky. Add a swap delay. Yeah, sure, that's fine. Let's see. Your deck is full. Okay. Have you tried the cloud design tool? No, I haven't. Is it good? I shouldn't forget to change this. Still jumped. Okay. It still jumped a couple of pixels. What else? I wanted to look into that dungeon event middleware. So basically, we should register the change before we dispatch the event. That's the idea. Right. Which makes a lot of sense. But this caused nothing. Oh yeah, it just doesn't work anymore. It's like a dependency. Because we get the user, and because some events. Okay, I get it. Some events are okay. So hang on. If not event instance of dungeon event. Then we'll just do this. That's fine. Then we'll get the dungeon. Register the change. And then okay, let's do be fixed now. Okay, cool. That's nice. Then we have our size validator back to 20. And I do think... oh, no, breakthrough, yeah. I don't want, like, the periods here, I think. Black is full. Oh, no. Okay. Cool. I don't really like that it's... okay, remove that exit transition effect when... I should have... oh. When the validation gets removed. No need for it. Just want to make sure. Okay. HX swap. This is what I wanted it to remove. Yeah, okay. Okay. Very nice. And then we have our size validator 20. Okay. Let's check our to-do list. What do we have? Sellable cards, yes. Hand card limitations. Although I still need to add some things here. And what I wanted to... Rumble doesn't matter. Support, that's the other. Oh, and we need to do the shop as well. Yeah. What else? Beacon doesn't matter. Breakthrough. We have. Just play it. It's okay. Emergency exit. It heal. Okay, health increase. And the locate ones. Okay, instead of instance off here, I'm going to say cards to check equals support major class. Minor support epic. If not in array. Won't do anything. In array. Like this. If count is more than 5, you know, like, yeah, this is better. Stability. Like this. Like so. And breakthrough. By the way, random thought, and also this is more work related, so feel free to put it off, but on the JetBrains community Discord, the PHP Storm channel doesn't get some attention, basically no answers. Aha. Well, let me tell you, this is, believe it or not, this is also work related. We're actually aware of that and working on it, because we want our QA team to be there as well. So yeah. It's work in progress. With work in progress, I mean, I highlighted the problem 2 weeks ago, and it needs to get to the right people now to actually start being there. I'm also there, by the way. Oh, but it's muted. See, I knew I had a to-do on my list. But actually, I went to notification settings. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, but thanks for pointing it out. Okay. Breakthrough. Now we have this one still. Yes. Okay, let's go. Oh, no, I was working in a wrong file. Now, support major, support minor. You can only have 5 support cards in your hand. Perfect. Over here, you can only have 5 breakthrough cards in your hand. You can only have 7 stability cards in your hand. In your deck. And then we wanted to do one for the locate cards as well. Locate deck validator, because this is important. You can have only a maximum of, I would say, 3 locate cards. You can only have 3 locate cards in your deck. But these are multiple cards. Locate stability, locate mana, locate health, locate shard, locate victory point. Is there any other? Shard, health, mana, stability, victory point. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, because these otherwise are too powerful. Okay, then we had our This is fine. These permanent cards. Yes. Permanent card. Deck Validator. This is different. Let's give that a try. Let's go to user cards. Okay, that. Love it. I like it. Like this. Okay. What else? Clarity. Maybe we should limit clarity as well. Clarity. Probably 3. Clarity cards in your deck. Trap Disarm doesn't matter, Upper Hand doesn't matter, Support we did, Stability per tile is a permanent one, so we've got that. Stability, yes. Rumble doesn't matter, Protection, well, Rumble does actually matter. Rumble. Also fine. Mana per move, then mana potions is okay. And heal is okay. Stability. Emergency exit doesn't matter. Okay. Check our to do. Hand card limitations. No, we still forgot something. When we buy from the shop, shop listeners. No, actually, it's in the shop. Was it here? It's just over here, of course. Add from shop. It's in deck repository, of course. Over here we need to private what was it called? Deck validator. And then we can just do is active equals this deck validator is null. close to file. It's active. Like so. Deck. Okay. And so, because that means, let's say we have Rumble. Okay. Let's add them over here until we run into our error of, I think it was 5. Okay. If we buy this one now, it ends up here because it doesn't. Let's go to our shop cards. Let's add a Rumble here again. Rumble. Let's move one out of here and buy, and it ends up there. Perfect. Okay, now we can fix it. Hard to do. There we go. And this is fixed, and then this is not really required. Take the time for a second. Okay, so one more thing. Sellable cards. In 4 cards in X-Dex Builder. For cards that are not in the hand, add a button to sell the card. Clicking it should ask for confirmation, similar to how we styled our exit button in the game view. Selling a card means you have to post dungeon. Post dungeon deck ID sell, where ID is the card's ID. Sell card. This is not. This is deck repository. No, so it's like this: activate card, sell card, dungeon user card. Like this, dungeon user can select where ID is ID, where user ID is this, and is active is false. Yes, this is good. And then we say dungeon user card, delete. Something like that. We'll say round it says over here. Overlay similar to where the add to deck button is. Okay, it doesn't really do anything. I didn't ever check the codes. So we'll buy this one for him. Sell price. Let's add that here, and we'll say that's this part over here. Car. The new card sell price. Show card sell price in the button. I'm in the wrong place. now I'm going to strategically ignore the port to the test suit. No, I really need to. I need to do something with it. But this is the old code base tests. I do think though that oh yeah. Oh. Good. Let's see. Is that actually? Cool. If we now do this. Then I actually think it's well, I'm not saying dumb, but playable now. No, the rank. It's in the rank. Rank. Stats repository rank. Where campaign ID? Right here. I don't know what this is. Oh, maybe is someone doing that right now? I can check it with it. No, that was me. That was me logging in. Let me actually fix that. But yeah, then I really think it is done. Ready to play, at least. Which is what I'm gonna be doing. Yeah, so I mean, if you want to, you can just go to stitcher.io/dungeon and try it out, I guess. Yeah, I think there are of course many more things to come now. Like for example, porting the test suite. And then in next version, I want to add some kind of chat functionality, not like real-time chat, but just a way to let people know of your accomplishments. The shard shop needs to come still, which comes with permanent cards, but that's the end game, so that you can wait for a couple of weeks. And then I have some more ideas where we have more cards. A bunch more cards. Lakes. I want to add lakes, which like interact with other cards as well. Boss fight could be fun. Need to figure that out. So yeah, there are some more features to come. But yeah, for now I would say we're good. That was fun. I'm gonna play a little bit now. So I'm gonna wrap up the stream. But yeah, let me know your thoughts if you're watching afterwards. Let me know your thoughts in the comments as well. I'll see whether I do another one of these when we implement some new features. And otherwise, yeah, it was pretty productive. I think a couple of live streams where we built a game basically, and I'm happy with it. If you happen to play it and you find some problems, click over here on beta, and you could just you can create an issue here. So yeah, okay, yeah, I think that's it. So thank you for watching and being around, and I hope to see you in the next one. Okay.